Welcome to my channel. This is Dallas from Dallas Can Do It. Today we're going to make a bubble snake. We're going to need a washcloth, a bowl, and the water bottle, soap, and a rubber band. Start by putting soap in the bowl. We're going to need a dough. Cut the bottom of it off, because this might be a little sharp. Secure it with a rubber band. Take the top off the water bottle. I'm dipping it in the soapy water to the deep breath and below. I made a bubble snake. Now I'm going to explain what a bubble is. A bubble is formed because of surface tension. Bubbles are just air wrapped in soap. The only problem when soap evaporates. Bubbles are just like a sandwich. Soap, water, soap. Well, this is my end of my experiment. See you next time on Dallas Can Do It. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. That was amazing, Mommy. I made a bubble snake. Get me something to clean this off. Second, this is our last play.
Yeah.
Bubbles everywhere. Wow. He made a huge one, did he? I want to do one. No, bubbles on it. I can't. Clean it up, please.